Hi, today from Bailey Pottery, we're going to explore the Shimpo Handheld Extruder. Shimpo Handheld Extruder includes 5 dies and 1 blank die made from stainless steel. There are also currently 2 other die sets that you can use with the Shimpo Handheld Extruder. These include a hollow die set and a 4-in-1 extruder die set. Okay, now to using this tool. We've trimmed off a section of clay using a wire cutter and wedged the clay into a cylindrical shape with a diameter and length that will fit inside the barrel. Unscrew the front cap off the barrel, turn the barrel upright, and drop the clay inside. Hold down the release and pull back the plunger so that the plunger plate comes all the way to the back of the barrel. This gives the maximum space possible to fill with clay. Select your die and place it inside the extruder cap. Screw the cap back on. So now we're ready to extrude. We squeeze the trigger a few times to push the clay forward, past the front of the barrel and through the die. It's important to hold the extruder parallel to your work surface in order to keep the extrusions coming out straight. The ease at which the extrusions come out is dependent upon the moisture level in the clay. You should be able to squeeze the trigger without difficulty. If you cannot do so, your clay may be too hard. Alternatively, you can use gravity to allow the extrusions to come out straight, and then cut them off with a knife or a wire tool. Potters will love this tool for making handles, and hand builders for creating uniform coils to build with. In fact, it's very easy to create uniform clay shapes, and you can use the blank die included in the kit to invent your own extruded form. When you're ready for a different extrusion shape, unscrew the cap, change the die, and replace the cap. Switching between the different shapes is fast and easy. Cleanup is easy too because the barrel unscrews at both ends. You can even use a sponge on a stick to clean the inside of the barrel. Wipe the dies clean with a regular sponge and you'll be good to go for next time. Thanks for watching, and remember, we're here for you, from your friends at Bailey Pottery Equipment and Ceramic Supply.